Should you buy a laptop or a tablet? Now, at this point, you might be someone who is using something really bad, old devices, those old laptops or old tabs, and you're frustrated. You need something new, but you have 30,000. So, what should you do? I here have Acer Lite and Xiaomi Pad 7. Both are one of the best in their category, and Xiaomi Pad 7 is clearly the best in its category, and Acer Lite is one of the best. Okay. Now, there's absolutely no denying that both are good in their own realms. If you want something light, something which you can just take out easily and do something that you only need 2 minutes of, you can do it on a tab very easily. But if you wanna do something professional, if you are going to code, you can't do that on that tab. Let's be serious. Even if you think I can use keyboard, I can use web browser and etc. Just the actual software is way much better. That still begs the question, if you're a student, gamer, what should you buy? Most of the games on tablet, first we are going to start with gaming. Most of the games on tablet are free, as you can go to Play Store and etc. But in laptop, most of the games are costly. So you have to go to some other routes like pirating and etc. But when we come to game quality, yes, there are many great games on the tablet, but there are way many great games on the laptop that are not on the tablet. Examples can be Hollow Knight Silksong, Hollow Knight the base game, and much more. There are also many games that are on the tablet, also on the laptop or PC, Windows, whatever you want to call it, because of Google Play and Microsoft Store. So if you're thinking of I will miss a Clash of Clans, you can play Clash of Clans on the laptop too. If you wanna think that I'm going to miss out on Macarena, you can also play Macarena on this thing too. But when it comes to power, there is a huge difference. Of course, the laptop is way more powerful than the tablet, but the tablet in Android category is pretty powerful. But the laptop in its Windows category is not as powerful as the most powerful thing can get. This is because these are very non-similar power scaling. Tabs start at low powers and reach up to high point really quickly, but they do not after 50,000 or more. They do not scale well. But laptop, they can start low, they graduate moderately, but they can reach many highs. For example, RTX 1590 laptop is way much better than a 30,000 laptop, but this tablet is not that much worse as the RTX 50 equivalent of tablet, as compared to how much worse it will be. Still, there are many games that are going to run greatly on this thing, but not on this thing. Let's start by the specs. If you are going to be doing office work, light gaming and anything, this is perfect. You get integrated graphics, which is not as worse as some other integrated graphics, although still integrated graphics. 16 GB RAM and AMD Ryzen 5 series processor, sorry, and around 512 gigs of memory. It is less right now, 477, because Windows is installed, but you have the freedom to install anything on a laptop. On the other hand, here we have an nearly 12 GB RAM. 4 is virtual. You can also probably increase up to 4 GB in this thing also, but I haven't tried it. The CPU is worse, of course it's a tablet, but for tablet standards it is pretty good. By the way, this is the Acer Aspire Lite and Xiaomi Pad 7, I repeat. So, in terms of gaming, if you are thinking to push on high settings, whatever you are going to play, you don't really care that much about the quality and quantity of games, then you should go with tablet. But if you do care about quantity and quality of games, laptop is better. Although you have to lower the settings a lot, but it's still far much better than what it can do. Also, if you want to do any kind of office work, coding, or anything, you might think I will buy a keyboard but on tablet, but it will not work. PDF, Word, everything is well supported on this, and everything is new on this. After many years, it may be that both are equal, but not right now. So, for a student, I think if you are not going to do some heavy things, coding, PPT, anything that involves fast typing or something that only Windows can do, you can go with the tablet. It's more portable and lighter. But if you are going to do any one thing of that, you will love to have a laptop. Now, for 1 second, imagine this is the, for example, OnePlus Pad 2, and this is my Acer ALG laptop. Here, this both will be, if this was OnePlus Pad 2, 50,000 price range. And I can tell you with this example, how does both scale in terms of value. If we are taking OnePlus Pad 2, it will be the best of the best type CPU you can get. Or I mean, obviously the screen size will get larger as you buy some more expensive tablet, but the peak of that tablet is going to range around 60,000. After that, it will only be minor increases. But on laptop, this is an RTX 3050 CPU. Gets 10,000 more, 4050, 10,000 more, 5050. Or for example, if this was 3060, then 4060 and 5060, etc. etc. It can range up to 1590, 4090, 3090, and that can be about 4 lakhs. So if you're like thinking to spend some more money, even at 50,000 price range, I think it is clear to buy a laptop. Or if you're going higher, then there's no choice of tablets right there, because if you wanna buy a tablet, you won't like to spend 70,000 rupees, rather get some 50,000 rupees tablet, or get a laptop that is worth that 70,000 rupees.